So I just wanted to show you guys about a free drum kit. You guys can either buy it or get it for free. They're the exact same thing. The only reason why you want to buy it is to, like, have support me or something. I don't know, but the free version and the paid version are the same thing. I'll play all the sounds. Like, these are pretty. Like, I don't know if you guys can find an 808 like this anywhere. It spins 808. I got a trash 808 and then I added like all these stem basses and all that. There's some trash sounds, but most of the good ones though. I just. This is not really a rim shot. I kind of messes up on this one. And like, yeah, that's a drum kit.